Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this video right here is going to be by Wiggins Hair. This is my first time working with them all. So I'm going to be showing you all today how to do a purple wig, more like a purple ombre wig. And these are the items that I received in the packaging. A 13x4 frontal and also 3 bundles of their 18-inch. So I started off with the Adore in Lavender. And then this water is hot, if I remember. I always tell people to use hot or like lukewarm water. And so I did wet the bundle this time because I think honestly that's what made the difference of me being able to do like a ombre, because the hair was like more wet. And so here I am just putting it in the water and letting it soak up. Y'all do not be like me. Make sure you unravel the bundles. I do it every time and I don't understand why. I'm just so lazy. But I always end up unraveling it later. And so it's just more work once the bundles is wet. So definitely do that. And here I am just swishing it around. And I cut the rest of the part out because honestly, it's the same thing with the frontal and the bundles. So here I am using the Ion Color Brilliance Brilliant. Yeah, it's both Brilliance Brilliant. Permanent hair color, light intense brown. I paired this with a Developer 10. And as you can see, it's starting to turn brown. And so all I did was just use like an old little mascara spoolie. And then I just applied it. Some people apply it too far down. I don't like that look. I like to go ahead and just make it seem like it's like, what? Like kind of like you need like a root touch up. And so that's all you do. And I think I let it sit on for about 30 minutes. And that is it. So as you can tell right here, the lace, I don't know if you can see the lace a little bit to the left, but the lace is kind of a light brown, and I'm going to be tinting that, and I'm going to use the Taylor Crown Lace Overlay in Caramel. I will also be inserting a clip showing you all what it looks like. This is Taylor Crown's there goes my bald headed self. This is Taylor Crown's new edition. I kind of like this one better than the last one because for some reason when I bought her last one, it just would not, it was a disaster. It wouldn't tint. So this definitely tinted. And to me, I feel like I tinted too much. So it's still going to blend. At the end of the day, it's still going to blend. But I definitely could have went lighter on the tinting. A few sprays is all I needed, but in my back of my mind, I was thinking like how her last tint was. I don't know, maybe it was just me, but I forgot what color it was. But honey, that stuff was, I think it was like a light brown. It wasn't tinting nothing. But anyways, and so all you do is, of course, you cut off the lace. And then so a few times I'm going to be out of the clip. I apologize. I'll be so focused and I'll be forgetting that I am recording. So if you look on my wig, quite honestly, I just threw this wig together for YouTube purposes because I just wanted the people to see how you would color. And so you do see a little bit of blonde, and that is the wefts. And so I definitely, if I decide to do like this on a customer's wig, definitely would end up tinting the weft like that light brown. And then I will also do the second bundle behind this one. I would actually do those roots also. But because this is for YouTube purposes, I'm just letting you all know so nobody will come for me to comments trying to tell me it's not finished. So here I'm using this bold hold. Y'all know I like my Ghost Bond. This was like a love-hate relationship. As you can see, like you'll be able to see it's so sticky. Like it's very, very, very sticky. And I don't know, maybe just because I'm used to Ghost Bond. I do not use a cap. I do not protect my edges. I have all my edges. I do this every single time, whether it's with bold hold or whether it's with Ghost Bond. If you do not know what you are doing, please, please, please do not apply no glue like this. But girl, look at, you see that? I hope I didn't scare y'all, but just, y'all see that? I get so hype, y'all, because y'all know how I be. I can't stand when people be using these filters of these videos. So yes, sis, we are not using no filters. This is real life. Do y'all see that? That disappeared. And so I got hella excited. But yes, so this is kind of like a love and hate. I'm always going to be down with Ghost Bond. This is my second or third time trying the bold hold. I made it work in this video, but sis, I just don't like it. Like, I just really don't. I did apply 2 coats of this. What I showed you was the second coat of me applying it, but I didn't like it. I don't know why. Maybe it's a special trick. Maybe I should go watch more videos on it, but nah, I think it will always be a Ghost. I will always be a Ghost Bond diehard fan. I really wish they promoted Ghost Bond like they do this one, because a lot of people don't really understand that Ghost Bond is the shit. And so here you just want to go ahead and tie your hair up. Usually I would tie it up overnight. That overnight melt is something else. Y'all just don't understand unless you've done it on yourself. Like, girl, you see that? Oh, yes, girl. But that overnight melt is something else. But because I was pressed on time, y'all, did y'all see my nails change 3 different times in this video? Shout out to Wiggins, who has been patient with me, because I really honestly did not realize that my business was going to take off so fast. And I've had this hair for a long time. So shout out to Wiggins for definitely dealing with me, because my nails went from pink to orange to this purple lavender color. So after you use the 91% alcohol to get rid of any residue, you're definitely going to want to free your ears up and cut any excess lace that's going to be over your ears. And let's see. Yes, I was definitely having a hard time. So, you know, your girl's not no hairstylist. I'm not an expert. This is self-taught. So you definitely, after that, you're going to have some shedding, of course. So you want to comb that out. And I did not like the part. I don't even understand why I put the part on that side. So I decided to change it. I am a lefty when it comes to my parting. And yes, so here I'm just going to be parting it. And then I'm going to be using the KeraCare Waxstick. All the products that I have used will definitely be below. If I haven't said it already, you could pick up the developer in the Ion color Brilliance Brilliant. From Sally's, that's where I got mine from. The Taylor Crowns, I will definitely leave a link for that also below. I ordered that on her website. And then this amazing hot comb is from Amazon. And let's see, this color was definitely beautiful. I did not expect for me to actually like it, but I'm really not a color person. I do it for you all. Yes, shout out to my subscribers, my fam. I do it all for you because I know sometimes y'all want me to do different colors. And then here I am just swooping in some baby hairs. Girl, shout out to all the people who has been with me since day 1. Sis, you know how I've struggled on these baby hairs. I could do them on another wig, another person. Like, I could literally just swoop the baby hairs. But when it comes to me, I be struggling. But as you can see, I have definitely gotten better with these damn baby hairs on myself. And so, but yes, the hair was really good. I did not require any shedding. And then definitely, I didn't require no tangling, no shedding. Like normal 613 hair will shed a lot. And that is honestly really normal doing to all the processing that it goes through. So you see that little piece, I'm going to cut that, but then I ended up just giving up because I felt like I was going to cut my ear and the baby hair. So I just gave up and left some of it. And so I'm going to be swooping on the other side, and I'm going to be finishing up. If you have any questions or you have any comments, make sure you leave them down below. Let me know if you are feeling this color and what color I should do next, because I do not know. I have done like what, a blue. I have done like a honey blonde. I've done Cajun spice. What else have I done? This purple and then something else. I can't remember the other color. Oh, well, I don't know. I can't remember it. So if you want me to try a different color, let me know. I definitely am very glad that I decided to go ahead and tone my roots. Woo, girl. Yes, girl. Woo. Yes, sis. I'm feeling you. I'm feeling you. So I think the last thing that I did was just I did bump some curls in there just a little bit more. I do stand up for you all to see what it looks like. I am 5'5". Yes, shout out to the short, like the mid-short people. And so let me know down below what you all think of this color, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye, guys.
Seeing how you're whining, you know they give me warning. You put me on a long thing, we ain't even talking. You ain't even online, but girl, you got me logged in. Are you there? Are you there? Babe on this. Me girl, I've been looking for you in the ends. It's a real thing, me not pretend. Say the